What's up, everybody? This is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be covering a new webcam. It's called the Jiffy C700 HD, where it is a true 1080p. Stay tuned. Okay, here's a package. I purchased this off of Amazon. I think I paid $47.99. Let's go ahead and open up the packaging. And as you can see, it says Jiffy. It is a full HD 1080p. Here are the specs: 1920 by 1080. It is good for Skype and video messaging, FaceTime for Mac, dual stereo with mics, low enhancement technology. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, inside the packaging, right here onto your left is your camera. Onto the right is the actual USB plug to plug into your computer. And then you have your manual in the back. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside and show you what the manual is. So, okay, as you can see right here, it says Jiffy. Here is the camera manual. This is a full 1080p, very great resolution. I will show you the resolution at the end of the video. They have it in Chinese and in English. The system requirements of this: it works on Windows 7, 8, XP, Windows 10. It works with Mac OS X 10.6 and higher. And it also works with Android 5.0 or above. So if you have an Android TV box, it will work with it. Okay, let's go ahead and unwrap the camera itself. As you can see, it has the lens right here. It protrudes a bit, but it's very good quality. And if you look toward the bottom, right here has a mount so you can connect it to a tripod if you want to use this as a tripod. Okay, overall it looks very good. This is where you manually focus it. As you can see, it turns left and right. Okay. And at the bottom, right here, this is where you would connect it to your monitor. If you want to use this as your monitor webcam. At the bottom, it has like a little clip here to clip onto your monitor. And this opens up. As you can see, that's how you click it to your monitor. This little flap flips down so it can actually connect to the bottom of your monitor, so it doesn't wiggle or move. So overall, this is a very good webcam. I suggest checking this one out. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you some video so you can see the quality of this cam. And as you can see, it's got true colors, very vibrant.